Hey, what's up guys? Sean here. We're back out here on another adventure. We're heading out today with the Florida Bushcraft guys. And we're out in Ocala National Forest. We are hiking right now through the Juniper Prairie Wilderness area. If you remember, if you go back and watch the video, I actually did a video right here. But we're gonna hike a good bit on past this. What in the blue blazes? Dad joke, sorry. Dear Lord, merciful God, Lord, please let me be close. Holy crap. There's a lake. And there's a freaking croc right here. It looks pretty good. Still got a little bit of rack to it. Hey, good morning guys. I slept pretty good last night. It got kind of chilly. We stayed up really late. Had a great time. I slept great. Time to make some coffee. Got my beer bag for my food. Get my coffee out of this. And go over here. I think I'm gonna make me some oatmeal this morning for breakfast. I may do some old school cowboy coffee this morning instead of filtering it. You can see my breath this morning. It actually did get a little bit chilly last night, but it was great. Brian's already got the fire made over here this morning. And he's got him a cool little setup over here right by the fire. Looks pretty cool. Let's go check that out. May I join you at your fire, sir? He got his little setup here. looks pretty awesome. Brian does some beautiful photography. Check him out on Instagram at the story. I'll link it in the description. Definitely go check it out. The photography is awesome. Well, I decided to exchange my oatmeal for a maple and brown sugar Pop-Tart. The only problem is my Pop-Tart got crushed inside my food bag. So now I've got like Pop-Tart crumbles. It's not bad though. I don't mind Pop-Tart that isn't toasted. Coffee. Cowboy coffee is always a little gritty. Well, the cowboy coffee kind of sucked, so I ended up filtering it out. I'm gonna finish drinking this cup of coffee, and we're fixing to go grab up some more firewood. It's really picked over in here, so we're actually having to go a little further afield. But Brian found some firewood, so we're gonna go pick that up. I can hear them. Found them. Ian found this big old chunk of red oak, and that red oak will last a lot longer burning. It'll burn a lot longer than this pine. So he's busting his butt to try to get this big chunk of red oak out of here. And but I think if we can get it out of there, we'll have plenty of firewood for the rest of the camping trip.
Oh, and get some cool lumberjack video.
That's what I'm talking about. Ian's freaking crazy. That freaking piece of red oak is heavy as hell. But he had it in his mind that he was just gonna manhandle it on back to camp. There he went. Whew. Just that little piece is heavy. That piece that Ian carried back in the camp, I bet that damn thing weighs 250 pounds.
Ow. I hit myself with the bottom of the axe on the ankle. Yeah. Want me to stand on? Oh, it's just not there. Are you building a cabin? Yeah, this is the start, the first wall.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh yeah, that's perfect height too, huh?
No, but hey, but welcome. Who's the gentleman from Sweden?
Oh, I am.
Are you sure? I can check with your accent. Hey, but welcome. No, seriously, welcome.
Thanks.
This is great. So, you guys come here before?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
When it's cold.
Yeah,
Yeah.
usually when it's probably the last time we'll come before it gets cold again.
I think you guys are in it. I was surprised to see that the temperatures went down to the 80s, around the 50s,
we were
50s
worried
at night.
because it kept saying it's also going to be like 98 and raining. We're like, don't know if that's going to turn out, but it turns out, like yesterday I was sitting around the house like it's going to be good.
That's good for you guys.
Good, because we're not far away, so
So that's usually that we kind of talk about that. The other part too is just the fires, right? Even though it's kind of low right now with the wind today, right? The wind kind of dries out the fuels, like it can go. And they had a fire like in June of last year that started just north of the prairie here, closer to.
Bikes are included in
No,
that?
yeah, there's no vehicles. Well, even like wagons, anything with wheels.
Nothing.
Isn't it? Yep, in the wilderness, right? So usually out here, usually we'll get the wagons, those little collapsible wagons.
Oh, yeah.
We'll see those on the way out because it looks like they make it in, but they never really make it out because of the sand, right? So we'll end
I
up
don't know
hiking
how
those
to,
out.
I just time to do it.
Right. But they'll take care of all the 88 miles, right, that go through the Ocala for their part. So.
So we have a visit from a forest ranger, and a really nice guy. Seems to be really down to earth and everything. So, but it was a good interaction here with him. He seems to be like a really down to earth guy, very knowledgeable. So that's pretty cool. Sometimes it doesn't turn out that way. Well, it's such a beautiful day, and we just kind of got done hanging around with the forest ranger, and I think we're gonna head over here and get back into the pond for today. I finally got my shorts dry from yesterday, and I guess I'm gonna go get them wet again. On the way back to camp, some guys stopped me, and they were getting kind of booted out of here because they came in on some mountain bikes they weren't supposed to be on. So rather than pack out their stuff, we got some loot. I think there's some sausage and bacon and chicken and stuff in here. We'll open it up and check it out. So the people that were hiking their bikes out of there, because I don't know how in the heck they rode those bikes through that sand, but those people gave us a bag of chicken, some sausages, some turkey bacon. I don't know who the hell eats turkey bacon, but we're gonna try it. I think there was some broccoli in there and something else in there. So we're gonna eat like kings for lunch today, I think. Looks pretty good. So I got this filtered water here, and sometimes the filtered water doesn't really taste that good because it's, you know, even though you're filtering it, it's still coming out of the pond over there, which really the pond's a spring-fed pond, so it's not that bad. But I always try to bring like some of these little drink mixes or something like that, just to kind of help make it not taste quite so bad, which it doesn't really taste bad, but just kind of helps some.
Yeah, minimal. A little warm over there?
Yeah.
Oh, it's also a lot of smoke coming this way.
Perfect. Well, it's real nice, breezy out here today. We've had a good time just kind of swimming and eating and just relaxing really, but I think I'm fixing to kick back in this hammock and catch me a little nap. It's just that kind of day. It's lazy. Not really a whole lot that we plan to do today or need to do. And a couple of the guys are actually hiking back out to the road to resupply some beverages, and kind of quiet in camp here, so I think I am gonna kick back in this hammock and catch me a few Z's. Man, that was a good nap. I'm not gonna lie. I crashed out. Matter of fact, I slept so long that the guys were able to hike back out, go to town, and hike all the way back. Now I probably won't sleep at all tonight. That's okay, I got a good nap in. It is freaking nice right now. Are you guys doing this kind of stuff? Are you going out camping like this? Comment below, let me know. I hope you guys are inspired by these videos. I know this one's not all that exciting, but it's been a good trip, man. Really good trip. I guess I better get up and be social though. I don't want to be that guy that just laid in his hammock the whole time. Looks like Tomas was in baking mode while I was taking a nap. At least somebody was productive. Wasn't me.
Make sure
All right. Check this out. Tomas hooked it up. So, what is this again, Tomas? It's
Krusty's cinnamon crunch coffee.
okay. So Krusty's cinnamon crunch coffee cake, but he added berries and stuff in it. It's really good. Baked right there on the campfire. Delicious. You see that little guy over there? See that little pygmy rattlesnake? Well, that was pretty cool. I don't tend to ever catch any wildlife on camera, so even though he was small, that was pretty cool. But so he made his way off out into the bushes there. I'm not going in after him. He'll live to fight another day. Boom.
Can you do that in slow-mo?
Well, unfortunately, I was smart enough to leave it in slow motion for these clips. I was able to speed the footage back up, but I wasn't able to get any audio because the camera doesn't record audio in slow motion. I really enjoyed the cooking of the MRE, and you know, definitely MREs are not the best flavor in the world, but actually this one was really good, and I really kind of enjoyed it. Alright guys, so as you can see, the sun is going down on this evening, and it's going down on our adventure too. So I'm running out of room on this camera. But if you like videos like this, if you like this video, give us that big thumbs up. And if you really enjoy this channel, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. I appreciate you guys watching this video. I've had a great time out here. I really want to thank the guys from Florida Bushcraft for having me out here and just showing me a good time. I appreciate you guys watching this video again. I'll see you next time.